Now this illustration deals with sizing a nipple. Now notice in the nipple you have a 60% fill. You see there's a greater fill area there than that 40% that we reviewed. And then we have in this auxiliary gutter pull through the nipple. We have say a 14 number 8s, 12 number 10s, 9 number 12s, and 9 number 14s. Now the quick calc shows that since this nipple is 24 inches or less in length, we'd go to the table 4, chapter 9, look at the 100% area for an 1.5 inch EMT that we're using, and that would be 2.036 in the quick calc. Note forward to the tables, we would be allowed 60% of that 100% fill, so we would come up with 1.2216 square inch area. And notice that when we do our calculation now, we should not exceed the square inch area of 1.2216. Now we're just looking at the nipple. We're not looking any type of derating or how many current carrying conductors we may have in the auxiliary gutter that you see there. All we're doing at this stage is seeing what size nipple we would need. Do we need to support the nipple? No, as long as them fittings are listed properly, no. And it doesn't matter how many of those conductors are current carrying in the nipple. So remember that, but you do have to evaluate the auxiliary gutter now.